Hello guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Nina, and for today's video, I'm gonna share you how I make this face mask. So I bought these vacuum cleaner bags at a grocery store, and I am going to use this as the filter. If you look at the face mask filter and then the vacuum bag, it looks almost the same. And then you need a fabric and then elastic for the face mask. And then now this is for the adult size, so I'm going to fold this into half, and then you spread the folds properly to get the adult size. And then now I'm going to trace it to get the pattern. And now I'm going to trace 1.5 centimeters for the seam allowance. As you see, I'm not using any ruler because I cannot find my ruler, so anything that is straight works fine. So now I'm going to make a pattern for the kids, and as you see, I didn't spread all of the folds, and I left one fold in the middle just to get a smaller pattern for the kids. So the same thing I did for the adult pattern, I am also tracing 1.5 centimeter for the seam allowance, and now we cut it. Now we have two patterns. So now I have cut a pattern for the adult, and I am going to sew this together on my sewing machine. So I'm folding this white fabric for the pocket of the face mask, and as you see, it's not evenly folded. The purpose of it, just so you could have a space to put the filter between the pocket and the face mask. So now I'm going to sew this together. So this is how it looks. So these 3 patterns is for the pocket, and if you can see, the other one is cut into half, and then one is whole one. And now I'm going to put this together like that. And then I'm going to sew it over here. And you see, now it's done. So this is the face mask. The good side is facing me, and then the pocket of the face mask, and the ugly side is facing me. And then now I'm going to sew it both here in the sides like that. And next is I'm gonna put the half cut pattern and sew it here. So this is how it looks. So it's looking good, but we're not quite done yet because I'm going to sew both this side like this, and then now I'm gonna start cutting 23 centimeters of elastic band that I'm gonna put both sides like this. And this is how I do it. You need to fold it like this 2 times, or yeah, 2 times, and then I'm gonna sew it on my machine. So this is how it looks. This is the finished product. And then now I'm gonna start to make the pattern for the filter. It needs to be a bit smaller than your face mask so it will fit your face mask. So this is the filter pattern. And then now I'm going to trace it on this vacuum bag like this, and we do cut it like so, and this is how it looks. And then I'm going to sew it in this side here, and then we going to open it here. So it looks like this, and now it's ready. You can put it inside your face mask. So if you guys don't have a vacuum cleaner bag, you can also use a paper towel or tissue to use as a filter. So we need to fix it properly to fit it inside the face mask so it won't look weird when you wear it. So this takes a little time to just fit it like that, like so. So this is the finished product, and I have sewn few of this, one each of my kids. And you can see a picture of me and my kids wearing it. So that's for it for today, guys. If you like my video, like, subscribe, and press the bell button to be updated on my next video. See you. Bye.